Nice. I have to watch the ad, of course. Testing, testing, testing. Yeah, we've got a lot of people in the chat. Let's go. Testing, testing, testing. All right. Yeah, so it's going to be a matter of time until I actually get a mic. So I'm moving at the end of December, or at the beginning of December, end of November. And basically, I'm going to have a lot more space and room. So I'm going to get a mic, like an on-desk mic. And then I'm going to look like one of those, you know, podcasters, like with the, no, I don't think I'm going to put on headphones, but I need to turn on the light. So yeah, happy Halloween, everybody. As you guys can see, I am a pirate, because I am a pirate at heart. Let's go. Let's see who's in the chat. What's up, Brian? First again. Let's get it. GFI is making a comeback. Yeah, GFI had a nice bounce. GFI had a really nice bounce, actually. I think it went up to $1.60, right? Yeah, $1.68. So yeah, so far so good. Again, that's what we always talk about when the RSI is extremely oversold. So when the RSI is extremely oversold, you are going to get some sort of bounce, which we were in the red, and now we're like over. Now we're in like still oversold territory, but at least we made some sort of bounce. Kurt, not going to be able to make it to 5 p.m. But could you have a look at Book of Ethereum? Yeah. So I'm glad he came by. I'll make a video for him, actually. Let's look at the previous targets. Oh, it's still holding on pretty good, so let me make a video for him. Taking a look at Book of Ethereum on the live stream. So this is for Kurt. I decided to make a video for you just because you're not here. But as you can see, we are still above our key areas of support at 41 cents, 51 cents. We actually came down and we tagged this line, and now we're over 51 cents. So I'd say 94 cents is still in play as of right now, as long as we hold these two targets on the way down. And yeah, that's all I got. Again, very bullish. We had a huge sell-off, and Book of Ethereum did bounce from 41 cents. So far, so good. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So I'm going to upload that for him later. And yeah, let's see. It's going to 0, but I'll throw GST in here again. What's GST? Oh, like the penny coin, right? Yeah, let's see. GST. What is that? Green Satoshi token, right? Oh yeah, this is on my watch list. Yeah, this is, I think this is a member coin. Ooh. Oh, wow. What happened? Wait, what happened? Oh, you know what? Did they just release the total? Did they just release the entire supply? It looks like they did. Yeah, you can see it. It looks like they released supply here. You can kind of see it on the market cap, because the market cap had a huge spike, and then the last time that this was here, you were relatively close in terms of price goes. And it looks like the fully diluted and the market cap actually does is the same. So it looks like they just released the entire supply into the market, and that's why we're getting some sort of drop off. But I don't think it's going to 0. I do think that we do have support at 1 cent, and technically we're still not at 1 cent. But just keep in mind that with GST, if we do break down, then we are looking at 0.008 as the last line of defense. That is the previous low. And if that breaks, then yeah, I'd say it's going to 0. But again, it's still possible for it to bounce right here and double bottom. So yeah, not financial advice. Louis the Cool, what's up, man? Hey, Izzy and Janet, both on Ethereum. Have a look, thanks. You got it. Shadowfrost, we wrecked. Yeah, man. Look at my coin. I'm just gonna sell it and be done with it, man. I'm getting absolutely destroyed. This is horrible. This is not good at all. Where's the bull run? Yeah, where's the bull run for my coin? After the FOMC meeting? Yeah, what's up, Bingo Bingo? You're right. So after the FOMC meeting, they're saying that they're gonna reduce the. Are they trick or treaters?
It's Jasmine. She's dressed up like Princess Jasmine.
Oh. Okay. Well, we might have some trick or treaters on stream, so just FYI. I mean, they're not gonna come in, but like, I'm gonna go give the neighborhood kids some chocolate, you know. But anyway, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, FOMC meeting. They're saying that they're gonna cut rates by 0.25%. So that is kind of bullish, but I don't think it's, I don't know how bullish it is for my coin, unfortunately. Caspa, yeah. So I do need to look at Caspa, and I need to make a video on it. Crowit, Knife, and Maniki, you got it, Eric. What's up, Free Lightning? Reef, good to see. What's up, Rising Sun? Good to see you too. Nice to have you back in the chat. Let's see. Alrighty, so let's take. So this is going to be relative. I mean, it's going to be an hour and 15-minute stream. Well, I do have a lot of update videos to make actually, so we're going to do that simultaneous to everybody's coins. Swiftcoin, yeah, Swiftcoin is one of the coins I need to make a video on, so we'll do that ASAP. So let's first look at Louis the Cool's coins before my chat goes away. So let's take a look at Izzy on Ethereum. Yeah, so Louis the Cool, there's nothing has changed from our last targets for Izzy. It looks like, you know, we are breaking down, unfortunately, but as long as it's over 503, this line, then it is still technically bullish. You are still making a higher low, and the next target is still valid at 4015. But if we do break 503, then we are probably going to come back down to this low, obviously. And then Janet. I don't know, where do you find these coins? Izzy and Janet? It's funny. Taking a look at Janet on the live stream. Yeah, man, like this is like, you already know this is a gamble. So, yeah, it's pretty gamble. I guess we can say, yeah, so I guess we can say Janet, nothing's bullish until we get over the 236. At any point, if we do get over the 236, then we can, you know, call for a bottom. But again, it just depends because we might get stuck in a downtrend. At that point, it'll be the 382. But at this point, I don't even want to like draw that because, yeah, it's at least 100% back up to the 236 at 002. So clearly, if this is the bottom, then congratulations. You know, you're looking at a 30x back up to the all-time high. Yeah, it is possible with the market cap being only 648,000. But if, you know, if it's not over if it doesn't get over 203, then you are looking at something like this where, you know, the coin's just going to die. So, not financial advice as always. So there you go. There is Janet for you. Where's the bull run? Oh, Caspa. Yeah, I need to make a video on Caspa. Let's make a video on Caspa. Did it break 11 cents? No, there's nothing new with Caspa. Actually, I'm not going to make a video on it because there's nothing new with Caspa. But taking a look at Caspa because Bingo Bango asked for it, and I like saying his name. So from the low to the high, you can see we broke 13 cents. Sorry, we broke 11.90, but we are still over this low at around 10 cents. As long as it stays over this, then theoretically it double bottoms, right? And then you are going to get a continuation up. However, if this doesn't hold for whatever reason, the next area of support for Caspa, so yeah, I mean 382 broke 0.5. So the 0.5 actually does coincide with the previous touch point before the big move up. So I'd put the next area of support at 92. So it is safe to say that Caspa at all points needs to stay over this box. If it doesn't, then you are looking at a much bigger capitulation down, okay? If it does, you know, it might not even come back this low, but if it does, and if it bounces, then you are going to get some sort of reversal. But it needs to stay over this box, so just FYI. Crow with Knife and Maniki. Hold on, let me see. Give me a second. I gotta see people's requests. Brett, Ethereum, Goldfinch. I need to do Pangolin, Vara, Shapeshift, Fox. Oh, Crow with Knife. Oh, wait, no. Hero. Oh, it was you, Street Tacos. I was wondering if you could review my lady meme coin. Yeah. Helium Mobile, LCX, Swift Coin, Spell, Spa, Swift. Okay, yeah, so none of the coins that you guys are asking for right now. So I gotta look at Swift Coin right now. Oh, Ka. And also Ka and Maneki. But I gotta make a video on this really quick, so. Taking a look at Swiftcoin on the live stream for a couple of subscribers, and congratulations, we are getting a huge move up with Swiftcoin. However, I do still think we are getting stuck at resistance, so don't get overly bullish, because although this move from this previous dump is up 64%, I believe you're still getting stuck at the 382, which you are. So nothing's bullish until we break over and stay over 39. However, as long as we, even if we do have a pullback, and this is for not for the traders, but for the long-term holders, as long as we have a healthy pullback and it stays over 2032, and you do consolidate in this level, then obviously, when we turn bullish again, you are looking at the next move up taking you to this previous high. Once that breaks, you're looking at, I think, what is it, 2 cents, and then from there it's actually, let's look. Yeah, 2 cents, and then from there it's to the moon. Yeah, 8 cents. So very possible for the market cap too. So not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Crow with Knife. Caw. So I need to do this video too. Oh, it's still holding. Okay. Taking a look at Crow with Knife on the live stream. So nothing has changed from the last time we drew this graph. It is still holding, it is still technically consolidating in resistance. So this previous line is the low that it needed to hold. It looks like we came close to it. I mean, we wicked under it, but we came close to it, and then we shot past resistance, and now we're consolidating in resistance. Keep in mind, it needs to stay over 7037, because at any point, if it doesn't, and if it breaks down, then again, this area does need to hold, and you're just going to hope that this consolidates and eventually breaks out of this downtrend that's forming. So if that doesn't happen, then obviously you're looking at a lower low. But so far so good with all this dump and everything. It's still over the 236 at 7037. So as long as it stays over that, it's solid. It's great. When the market turns bullish again, then you should get a bounce up out of here. And if that doesn't happen, then you're going to get stuck over here and consolidate. But as long as it's consolidating in resistance, then you should be fine. And the next target is still valid on the upside. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty. Alright, what? Anyone else's coins? Let's see. Oh, Maneki. What's up, Free Lightning? I think I already said Free Lightning. I think I already said hi to you, actually. Hey, nobody even cares that I'm a pirate. Nobody says, like, nobody's like, hey, nice costume. I just spent $100 on this thing. And nobody cares. I'm just joking, guys. Maneki. Taking a look at Maneki. Ooh. Yeah, so that's not looking good. Yeah, we broke the 382. Not bullish, unfortunately. So we actually need to redraw these. Next area, last line of defense and last area of support for Maneki that absolutely needs to hold is going to be the 786 at around 2048. If it holds over that, then theoretically you're still making higher lows, okay? And then the next target is 2097. But again, if you're trying to dollar cost average down, not financial advice, I would personally wait until 48 because that's a high risk, high reward. The high risk being if it might actually break down and you might get stuck in this horrible downtrend on the macro time frame. High reward is it actually bounces from here, you get a higher low, and you continue back up to 2097 resistance. So that's what I think about Maneki. All right, let's see. Swift coin, I already did. Oh, can we look at Dogelon on Mars? Yes, we can. Can we look at Benki? Yes. Izzy is Matt Fury Dog. Check out ALB Alien Base. You got it. Quick look at Reef if you can. You got it. I'll do that. Hoppy and Landwolf. I'll do that when. Simon's Cat. How's it going, Cryptomio Analysis? Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, Steven. Glad to see you made it to the live stream. So my goal is to actually live stream. My goal is to live stream. Can I get one? My goal is to live stream all of November, actually. Or sorry, until Vision gets back. I can't eat this right now. I can't eat this right now, though. Super unprofessional. Maybe I'll just say I'm gonna get some water and then I'll eat it really quick. But yeah, that's what I think. Let's see. What did I miss? Oh yeah, Dogelon on Mars. So yeah, unfortunately, Free Lightning. With Dogelon on Mars, like I'm obviously on the same boat as you guys. There is, for anybody that has Dogelon on Mars, the reason why I'm not super stoked and excited about it, and why I was making videos like every single day, like going down, is because, and why I don't anymore, is because there's nothing bullish about Dogelon on Mars. We said that as long as Dogelon on Mars is under 15 to 18 resistance, which we've actually tagged once, twice, 3 times, then nothing's bullish, and I'm just waiting until 7/0/97. I'm just waiting for that big final sell-off. It might not even be the final sell-off, but that next sell-off that's going to take us down here and validate this downtrend we're in. So unfortunately, there's nothing bullish with Dogelon on Mars until we break 15 to 18. Now I want to see, like, there's some coins that are actually consolidating in resistance. Unfortunately, some coins like Dogelon on Mars is actually under, and we're still stuck in this downtrend. So nothing's bullish. Once we break this, I kind of get excited if it actually does consolidate over this, because the next target is going to be around 604, and from there we're probably going to blast up on out of here. So nothing's bullish with it. And then let's see, can we look at Dogelon on Mars? Oh, Benki, yeah. And then Matt Fury Dog. Yo, thank you so much, Free Lightning. I really appreciate the super chat. That's awesome. Thank you. Hey. Dang, thank you so much. I really appreciate that super chat. That's awesome. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to look at for you. Benki. I haven't made a video on Benki in a while. Hey, where you at? All right, let's see. Benki. Oh, Benki's still. I think it's still holding support right now. Yeah, it's still holding support. Let me see. Yeah, 618 support. Well, technically. Yeah, I would just do that. Yeah, so Benki, as long as Benki stays over 1 cent, it's still super bullish. And keep in mind, Benki was one of the coins that actually went up like 8x. So Benki had a monster, not a monster run, but like a really, I mean, technically a monster run compared to the coins that I'm holding and some of the coins that you guys are holding. But as long as it stays over 1 cent, super bullish. We have resistance at the 236382 on the upside. So nothing's bullish with Benki until we break over this. And keep in mind that what that means is it can come all the way back up to the top end of this channel. If it doesn't break and stay over this point, then you are looking at rejection, and we do have a possibility of coming back down and even making a lower low. But again, what you want to see is you want to see consolidation and then move up. What you don't want to see is constantly making lower lows, right? So at any point when we do form some sort of base, then that would be a good indicator of, okay, maybe I should buy now because this is the floor. So that's what the high risk, high reward is. But not financial advice, just my opinion. And then let's look at ALB. Alien base? Yeah, I mean, there's like, what am I supposed to do with this? This is crazy. Congratulations, man. 3x. And if you bought down here, what is that? Yeah, 100x. That's 100x right there. Keep in mind, if you had asked me this like back in September, I wonder if we could have targeted it out. Yeah, we could have. We could have said this is resistance. We would have came back down, tagged resistance, breakout, actually come and retested. So literally we got stuck at a 382. We retested 236. We broke out 0.5, retested 382. And this is exactly what happens. You blast up, when you stay over the 382, you get a huge blow off top like this. Sometimes. And then we would say 1618 and then 2618. And what do you know? We literally blew past the 1618 and 29 cents was tagged, and that is resistance. So congratulations, man. I hope you didn't buy the top. I hope you didn't buy this green candle. But yeah, congratulations. I say continue. If you're asking like how high it can go, I'd say anything over 24 cents is still really bullish. It could come back down to 21 cents, but if 21 cents doesn't hold, then you are looking at a bigger capitulation down, and basically it's probably going to come back down to the lows. So, no financial advice. Let's see. Reef. Oh no. I think this is the right reef. Rising sun. Yeah, so we were stuck in this downtrend. We got a huge bounce. Now we're coming back down. Yeah, so unfortunately for reef, if 2011 doesn't hold, then you are looking at capitulation and probably going back down to the lows and making a lower low. So this isn't really bullish at all. It does look like it's stuck in a horrible downtrend. So I hope you got out, or I hope you didn't buy the top, right? Because that's a big move. That's 15x, man. So that's a lot of money. All right, Simon's Cats. All right, Simon's Cat. Ooh. Oh wait, no, that's resistance, right? Wait, what is that? Okay, I gotta figure out when's the last time I looked at this. So clearly, yeah, so this was our next level, but we didn't hold. We're going back down, so unfortunately, yeah. 786 is the last area of defense for Simon's Cat. We didn't quite come down and touch it, but 4026 is the next area of support. If this area of support falls, you don't have any more support until this low. And if that doesn't hold, then you are looking at making a lower low. So, not financial advice. It's not looking good. Yeah, it needed to hold that last area of support, and it literally broke down. So yeah, these are all invalidated right now until we break. Let's see what we have to break. We have to break 236382. Given that this is the bottom, if it doesn't, then obviously our targets are going to change. I'll update the chart so next time we can look at it, you can see if it hit or not. So yeah, as long as it stays under 4032, bearish. Once it breaks that, our targets on the upside are validated. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Let's see. What's up, Matthew Dropco? I guess Coinbase experienced issues today. They were trying to buy some degen. Oh, I saw that coin. I was like, what? Coinbase lists the coin that's degen? That's like named degen? That's crazy. Can you look at XCN, please? It keeps going down further. Do you think XCN will keep going lower? All right, Steven, I'll take a look at XCN for you. Thanks. There's a new There's a new coin called Noob on Salon. Is this too soon for TA? Let me see. Thank you so much for the 5. I really appreciate it. Yeah, let me look at XCN and Noob. Let's check out Noob. Dude, thank you so much for the 5. I'll take a look at that for you ASAP. Taking a look at Noob. Yeah, it's way too soon. Yeah, like this coin just came out. 491,000, 100,000 locked liquidity isn't bad. Let me change it on hourly for you, I guess, right? So, yeah, so I guess on the hourly, and you know, this is a lot faster than some people because we usually talk about macro targets, but because this coin just came out, just keep in mind that as long as it stays under this box, and we'll save this graph for you next time. As long as it stays over 306 to 309, it's bearish. You're going basically to 0. If it forms some sort of bottom here, and as long as it stays over this low, then you do have a shot at a bottom. And once we break, then you know the next target is the previous high, and from there, I'd say to the moon. Again, with these coins, you really don't know how high it's going to go because it's low market cap. So you're straight up gambling, and you probably already know that. So good luck. That's what I think. 306 to 309. 2037 is next. 3033 absolutely needs to hold. And absolutely needs to be the floor. If it's not, then we're going back down. Not financial advice. And then taking a look at XCN. Yeah. No, XCN's still holding support. XCN's not going to 0. It's still holding support. Yeah, it's still, I mean, XCN had is another one of the coins that had a good run, right? Yeah, you had 500%, and then now you're still up 83% from the low, so it's not too bad. And then you're still holding the 786, which is 201. So yeah, no, I would be scared if 201 breaks, okay? So if 201 breaks, which we actually had a touch point before back here in August when we had that massive sell-off, then I'd worry because I'd be like, okay, well, there's no more support until down here. And then at that point, if that breaks and if it doesn't double bottom and get up on out of here, then you're looking at a capitulation down in a lower low, which is just going to validate this major downtrend that we're in. But that's not, you don't have to worry about that as long as we are over 202. Sorry, 201. So as long as it stays over that, it should be fine. Do I think it's going to go lower? I really don't know. You have to, that's something you have to ask yourself. Like, I don't, like, how much, like, how long do you want to hold this coin, right? Because, like, my coin, I'm holding it to 0. So, like, I don't even care. I'm holding it to 0. I didn't even buy at the lows. So I'm holding it to 0. So you just got to ask yourself that. All right. Did I miss anything? Oh, General Electric. What's up? Taking a look at Optimus Prime for you. The leader of the Autobots. Matthew Drop Crow. It's on base. Oh, I want my Elon to go back up too. I'll take a look at Degen for you in a second. After I look at Prime. So taking a look at Prime for Mr. General Electric, the electrician in the chat. So we are still over the, actually we're stuck at the 236. If this breaks, then I'd say good games. I guess. Yeah, so I would say this box is crucial for any sort of continuation up. But clearly you can see if we don't hold this, we are going to go back down, probably make a lower low and validate this downtrend that we're in. So I'd say $6.36 to $7.04 absolutely needs to break. You clearly see we're sitting on $7.04, so you have a little bit more leeway. And if it does bounce from there, then technically you're still kind of holding an uptrend on the macro time frame, and you're going to break out of this downtrend we're in. So just keep that in mind. Not financial advice, just my opinion. If this is the bottom, then, and if we get some sort of bounce, again, I would probably put the target at this previous high, and from there we're just gonna have to chart it at that point. I don't know how high this coin can go. So, and then let me look at Degen for my my guy Matthew Dropco, who's always in Vision chat. Is this on? What is this on? Is this on Dex Screener where we can actually save the graph? Oh yeah, we can. Oh, I do have a graph on DGen. Okay. Is this the right one though? 009, 009. Market cap 150, fully diluted. No, this is the wrong one. Okay, we're just gonna have to do it on here. Because this high was 4 cents and then this high was... Actually, no, this is the right degen. Yeah, so actually we're holding support pretty well. So we said as long as it holds 2068, 1 cent 80 is still a valid target on the upside. And I actually have this saved, so we can have it saved for next time too. So 2068 to 2084 absolutely needs to hold. Clearly, we're at 2091. The next target on the way up, and we're well over support right now, so it looks pretty strong to me. And it looks like the next target is 1 cent 80, 3 cent 10, and then 6 cents. And then from there, I'd say degen to the moon. You're looking at up to 45 cents. Now, is it practical? Is it realistic for it to go 50x? Well, let's think about it. So 10x is 1.5 billion. And then 5 times that is, what is that? 7.5 billion. So yeah, absolutely. I think that's very possible, but I think you're going to have to diamond hands it. And just keep in mind, as long as it doesn't stay over, as long as it stays over this box, you should be solid. But if it breaks down, we're going back down, and you can see we're clearly forming a downtrend. So just keep that in mind too. Now, financial advice. Yo, let's go. Thank you so much for the super chat. I just saw it. Oh, here's for degen. Yeah, thank you. I hope you liked it. Like, watch like you didn't like it. You're like, wait, the video sucked. I shouldn't have super chatted. So there's degen. Let's read some more stuff. If the devs pay Coinbase enough, they will add it, probably, and then they will just dump on everyone. That's probably what happened with OXC. I got dumped on. It's not a good feeling. It's really sad, actually. I lost a lot of money on that. It's not even funny. It's just like, that's why I'm like so convinced that there's no, like, whenever, if you guys notice this and if you guys actually follow Coinbase, every single coin that comes out, they like dump, like 90% of the coins that they list are down like 80-90% from their time of listing. And I really think there's something going on the back end. I'm not a fan of it, and I guarantee you that if they do some sort of audit, that they're going to find something pertaining to that, where they dump on their retail, we buy, and we just get absolutely wrecked. We pay them fees, and then like, yeah, it's not a good. I don't like it. I think there's something going on, but whatever. That's tenfold conspiracy theory, and it's also because I lost money in it, so I get it. Like, I'm salty, but again. Track record is 90% of the coins they list are down 90, 80, 90%. So am I really that crazy to think that? No. Polyswarm. I got to make a video on this because... Wait, why is it dumping? That's crazy. Why is it dumping? All right, let's see. Taking a look at NCT for the gentleman who asked for it. So far, so good on the macro time frame. It's still over the 236, so we got stuck at resistance again at the 382. So that's fine. That's still resistance, but as long as it holds, sorry, I should have done that. Yeah, as long as it holds, yeah. So clearly, it looks like we're making higher lows across the board. As long as it holds. Yeah, it would have to be 13. Oh, sorry, it would have to be 15. So as long as it holds 110.53, then you're looking at probably an area of compression and then followed by a breakout. And then once the 382 breaks, then we all know, then we have a shot at the bottom, and this thing's probably going to go parabolic. So, yeah, we'll just have to target it at that point. But it's definitely, the next target is going to be a retest of this previous high. And then once that breaks, we're gonna have to rechart it and see where the 786 is, 618, all-time high, and then 1618 from there. So, not financial advice. Let's see. Oh, got it. Thank you. I'm holding it to 0 as well. Yeah. Hey, Steven, you're on the same boat as me. I'm literally like, I'm like, either I'm gonna make it, or I'm like, I'll find a way. Like, I'll have to find another way to make it, because either I'm gonna make it, or it's going to 0. Like, that's already in my head. I've already lost too much money to sell it, and I know I always joke around, and especially in Vision's live stream, like, oh hey, I'm gonna sell it, or oh blah blah blah. Like, first of all, I would never gamble on Solana memes or Ethereum memes or on swaps and stuff. I think my method is pretty good in terms of like playing it smart and buying coins that are, like on exchanges. And it was a good method because I made money with Shiba Inu. I could have made money if I played it smart with XLM. But then what happened is Coinbase, and this happened back in 2019, if you guys were there in 2019, they started listing just a bunch of coins. I remember they listed like a bunch of coins, but like even recently, up until recently, like Jupiter, they listed Jupiter coin, they listed like Engine, they listed Voyager, they listed UPI protocol, like, and 90% of those, like, they left it, people traded it, and then they lost all their money in it. And that was after OXC. OXC was the first coin that I noticed that they listed in simultaneous to Atom when Cosmos was listed on it. And I was like, oh my god, this is only, like a $10 million market cap. There is no coin on Coinbase that's $10 million. It's a no-brainer. And then like they fully diluted it, so it's not a good feeling. I forgot where I was going with that, but I hope you guys. Yeah, exactly that. Oh, what's up, Roy's Army? Wait. What happened? How come you change your name? It's not Cream. It's not what is it? Cream Cheese. Your name was Cream Cheese, right? Yeah, dude. The ICP scam was. It was like $400, right? Dude, how did they get away with that? I'm waiting for like the like class action lawsuit. I'm literally waiting for something like that where it's like, oh, like news comes out or someone tells the truth or whatever, and we get some of our money back. Because yeah, dude, this thing was a joke. Like, when did Coinbase list ICP? It was 2021, right? It was like over $100, right? Am I crazy that I think that they listed ICP in the hundreds, in the $100, and now it's like sitting at $7? I don't remember. Yeah, I think Coinbase gets a list of coins they're gonna list and send out an email to key employees and friends to buy it off Uniswap or whatever. Then when the hype of going on Coinbase moons, yeah, and then selling it. No, I changed it. It was got it. We sell it, and people sell their coins the day that they're listed. Coinbase did get in trouble doing insider pre-listing scams. Yeah, but where's our money back? You know what I mean? Like, we're like us small people like that lost like 10, 20, 30 grand, whatever. Where is our money? Like, it's not like we're gonna see any of it. I don't know. I just really don't think that's fair. I think that as like people, and like we're trusting these people, like these exchanges to like list, these coins, and like have nothing shady going on the back end, but it is what it is. But like, please look at these listings that they're doing and tell me like I'm wrong when 90% of them go down. Even Prime, I remember Prime because I was like, and Prime is a good example because this actually didn't, it actually mooned, but like they listed this at $5 and then went down to like $1, and I was like, yep, typical Coinbase listing coins and it's going down. How many? What was the percent? This is a rare case though because it actually came back, like it was relatively short period of time. But if you had bought it, you would have been down 83%, and then from there, you know, it went to the moon. But there are some coins that moon, but unfortunately, you know, the majority of them don't. It's like, yeah, most of them don't, but yeah, yeah, exactly. A couple of them actually do go up. I think that Coinbase does a half dozen coins they decide to pump each day, like coins that were sitting for a year and all of a sudden start moving out of the blue for no reason. Yeah, I think that too. Like, I don't think Coinbase does that. I think the developers do that because Coinbase is like the lister, right? So like, I'm not getting, say like I'm Coinbase. I'm like, hey, OXT, what the hell is, like, what the heck is this? 1.85, not even, because that's on every exchange. So Coinbase, like the 24-hour volume, which actually I'm like really scared of because it's so low, right? 45,000. So me as Coinbase, I'm like, hey, Orchid, your guys' volumes, we're not making any money. You guys better do something. And say like, you know, Orchid on the back end say, okay, oh man, like you're right. We need to start like buying OXT, or we need to like pump it, or bring traders back to our coin, and that's when the coin pumps. That's what I think. I don't think Coinbase pumps it. I do think that there are certain exchange. I do think if the exchange itself has the coin, then they will pump it, and then of course they're gonna dump it, right? They're gonna sell it. But I think the majority of the time it's like, hey, you guys better like increase your price or have some sort of price action, and not so much flatline, you know, dead coin. Otherwise, we're gonna delist your coin. So that's what I think. I only use Coinbase to offload my stablecoin profits. That's cool. I swap into stablecoins and unload the base, large liquidity. Yeah, that's too advanced for me, bingo bango. I just want to buy and just hold and make a quick 10x and bounce. That's it. Basically, it's like doing zombie coin scam. Some influencers will buy up dead coin projects over time. Then they start typing and hyping it. When enough viewers, they pump and then they sell. Yeah, so full disclosure, I have OXT. I am down. Don't buy it. This graph is horrible. Okay? Basically, I'm like, I'm telling you guys, don't buy OXT. Look at this. This thing is like, I'm on the verge of like capitulating, but also this thing's on the verge of getting delisted. Look at this. Like, if anybody buys this coin, they're like brain rot. I didn't buy it down here. I wish I would have, but I didn't. I bought it when there was potential, so that doesn't count. So I don't have brain rot. I took a risk, and it failed. So I don't have brain rot. Just FYI. A 10x on Coinbase is rare. Yeah, but like there are a couple coins that did it. Like, okay, for example, Mana. When they listed Mana, this is one of the coins that did 10x. They listed it, yeah, it was like 3-4 cents, and it went. Actually, it 100x'd, right? I remember I could. Oh no. I remember I could buy Mana on Coinbase at $10. I remember that because I was 10 cents, and I did that, and I sold it early, and I was like, damn, like here. Let's look at the Coinbase graph. 10 cents. Ugh. They had it at 10 cents. I remember they had it at 10 cents. And then this thing went up like 50x. So congratulations to whoever bought Mana. But again, they gave it all back. So it is what it is. Okay, so enough of that. Let's... Yeah, that pump was crazy. And then another one was... So I remember Mana. I remember... what was another one? I mean, even XLM, and the reason why I know this is because I actually capitulated. So here, I'll show you. Which you probably already know the story because you're in here all the time, and I always tell you guys this story. So I remember I like sold. It went back up a little bit, and I sold because we were gonna go back down, and then it went up. So like theoretically, if you had bought this low, which nobody ever buys a low, but if you do, like you could have had 28x. So that would have been nice. That was yeah. Those metaverse coins went crazy. Oh, you're talking about Axie? Do you remember Axie? Yeah, this was like at $100. Yeah, I remember this. What a joke. Like, dude, imagine if you bought it at $160. Like, imagine if you looked at this coin and you were like, $9 billion, I'll buy here. I feel bad. I mean, you should feel bad for me too. I lost a lot of money doing the same dumb stuff, but yeah. So I get it. This is horrible. Engine, yeah, they delisted this too. Look at this. They delisted this coin and it went absolutely to zero. Dude, that's crazy. That's pretty bad. Oh, yeah, the sand too. A sandbox, right? The sandbox, yeah. This one. Yeah, it went up so high. $6 to like 25 cents, dude. That's crazy. Just literally non-stop dump. Horrible. Yeah, let me know if I missed any coins because we kind of got sidetracked a little bit. Let me look at Brett on Ethereum. You know what? I can't find this. This guy, I can't find his coin. It looks like last year made blah blah blah. Hold on. It's looking great, bro. Thanks for the video last night. You the man. Can you make another GFI video if we hit 6? Oh, okay, okay. So this guy wants Goldfinch. So we'll take another Goldfinch video. Taking a look at Goldfinch on the live stream for our subscriber. So we talked about this last time. Clearly, we've never seen GFI in the RSI being this oversold. We got a huge bounce, so congratulations to whoever picked up coins back there and got in for the trade, because that was literally a 66% pump. So congratulations. From the high to the low, you can also see we literally bounced perfectly from the 382. So the long-term targets right now for Goldfinch, once we break $6.20, is a retest of 15, and from there you're looking at anywhere between 15 and $231. I'm not saying it's going to go here. I'm saying it could, and that's a target, but it could go anywhere up here for all-time high, followed by the bear market, and then we're going to have to wait 4 years, right? So as far as support goes, we also did bounce on support at around $1, which was crucial support. It never broke. $1.01. You can clearly see we bounced from it. So far so good. Congratulations again to everybody that bought that dip. Hopefully this is the low and we don't go any lower than this, but again, just keep in mind that if we do come back down to $1, that absolutely needs to hold. Otherwise, we are going to break that and probably go much further down. So we'll have to redraw it at that point. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I hope that made sense, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right. Let's check the chat and then make another video. Shaitoshi, the scammer who acts like he's the owner of SHIB, built an entire ecosystem in Shepverse, but the metaverse you had to buy Bone and Leash to bid. Yeah, that sucks, but I think Dojo on Mars isn't doing that. So Dojo on Mars is actually using Dojo on Mars, and that's why I like it, and I think that's why you're probably in it too, because they're using Dojo on Mars as the like for their swap, for the metaverse and everything. So it's not going to be other coins. If they did do that, I'd run away from it. I'll just say, oh, Shiba 2.0. But I don't think they're doing that. Swift Coin. I already looked at that, but I can look at it again for you. Can you look at CRV, please? Yes. Happy Halloween, bullish on Parade. Hoppy and Landwolf. Yeah, I gotta look at Hoppy and Landwolf for Bingo Bango. Give me 1 second. I need to look on Dex Screener. Taking a look at Hoppy, I think I already have a chart. Yeah, I do. Yeah, so nothing has changed from the last. Actually, yeah, all of our targets got hit for Hoppy, We actually hit the 1618. And yeah, I guess we do need to update our support areas of support. So give me a second. This target is still valid at 303. And we have support here. So this is crucial because if this doesn't hold, then the next area of support is 3023. So as long as it holds 3029, super bullish. 3032 is next target on the way up. Once that breaks, I'd say to the moon. Price discovery mode, all-time highs. However, if we do come back down, 3023 absolutely needs to hold for a higher low and any sort of continuation up. That's all I got for Hoppy. And then Land Wolf. Yeah, what is this? Yeah, super gamble. I mean, you know, back up to its all-time high is 15x. Good luck. I'd say good luck with Land Wolf. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish until we break 202. If this isn't the bottom, then we are looking at a bigger move down and a continuation in this downtrend. That's pretty much it. That's all I got for Land Wolf. CRV. Wait, that's another coin that got delisted, right? Am I crazy? This is another coin that got delisted from Coinbase, right? Let me see. Oh no, it's still on it. Sorry, never mind. I'm not trying to spread FUD. That's not what I meant. This graph isn't looking good though. So that's not FUD. That's true. Look, we're all the way down here. Not good. From the high, I'm not using this wick. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish with CRV until we break at least 42 cents, meaning we can come back up to 42 cents and still be bearish. In terms of support goes, there is no more support for CRV other than this bottom, 18 cents. And for whatever reason, if that doesn't hold, then you are looking at a bigger capitulation down and an all-time low that will put you around 11 cents. And that's all I got for CRV, not financial advice. Let's see. Hope Hoppy comes down so I can add with other profits. Good luck. Hi, can we please do GFI? I actually made a video on Goldfinch already. If you scroll back, you can look at it. You can watch it. And actually, I'm gonna post the video afterwards too. So, oh, it's a wrong Land Wolf on Ethereum. Oh, I already have a graph. Oh, okay, perfect. So, bingo, bango. No, nothing has changed from the last time we drew this graph, drew this chart. Nothing has changed. 4045 is a crucial area and needs to hold. Anything if we're above that, then you're looking at 4099 being the next target on the way up. At any point, if once we break that, we're looking at previous all-time high, and from there, you're looking at price discovery up to 302. Again, nothing has changed from the last time we looked at Land Wolf. Sorry, yeah, Land Wolf. Alrighty, let's look at some other coins. PNG. Yeah, we gotta look at Pangolin. Nothing has changed with Pangolin actually, so I'm not gonna make another video. Access protocol. Oh, this one is a cross protocol. Okay, yeah. Taking a look at a cross protocol for the subscriber that asked for it. Let's take a look at this. It's looking pretty bullish actually. From the high to the low, very bullish. We are over the 382. Next target is the retest of this previous high, and then you're looking at price discovery up to $77. As far as support goes though, I'd say last line of defense for areas of support that it absolutely needs to hold is 22 cents. So as long as it's over 30 cents, solid, perfect. 48 cents is next. 77 cents is the next target on the way up in price discovery. On the way down, if 30 cents does break, the next area of support is 22 cents. Keep in mind that absolutely does need to hold. You do need to form a bottom and consolidate. If that doesn't happen, then you are looking at a bigger move down and then a bigger move down, which is going to put you in this downtrend. So not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bam. Can you do a new update video on Vara? Oh my god. RIP to everybody that's in Vara. That's not good. Taking a look at Vara network on the live stream for the person who asked for it. So nothing has changed with Vara. Unfortunately, I think they're still releasing coins. There is no bottom for this. And the targets just keep moving. The goalpost basically just keeps moving. So on the way up, nothing's bullish with Vara until we break 3 cents 1. And then in terms of support goes, if this right here isn't the bottom, then the next area of support for Vara is going to put you around 14, then adding a 0, 9. So 2 zeros, 98. Again, this area absolutely does need to hold. Otherwise, you are looking at 2 zeros, 9. Nothing's bullish with this. No financial advice, just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, let's look at the chat, see if anybody says anything. I already looked at Simon's cat. How's it going, Meow? Welcome to the end of the live stream. What's up, summertime? Yeah, so I got like 20 more minutes, and then I'm actually gonna go, not go out for Halloween, but we're gonna go play some arcade games. So, we're gonna go play some arcade games. That way nobody knows where I'm going, but you know it's a place with arcades. Just in case, you know, I have stalkers out there, people that want to kill me, or some people that are like, hey. Some people that don't like pirates. Hey, what's up? How you doing? My cat just went in the bag down here. All right, so let's see. Benji token on base. Taking a look at Benji token on base for Elixio. Yeah, so nothing's bullish with this coin actually. We have resistance here. So we have resistance at, so nothing's bullish until we break 2 cents 20 to 2 cents 29. In terms of support goes, I don't think you have any more. Oh yeah, you do. So 786 is the last area of support. So resistance support, once that breaks, you are looking at the retesting the high at 10 cents, which as of today is around a 400-500% pump. So yeah, not financial advice, just my opinion. Nice pirate outfit. Yeah, let's go. Thank you. I appreciate that. Nobody said anything about it until you said nice pirate's outfit. Yes, I am a pirate. I don't have a pirate hat. I should have got one, but maybe I'll go get one actually. Maybe I'll stop by the store and go get one. Let me look at, so because I'm leaving in like 15 minutes, give me a second. I need to do Fox. Hold on, give me a second. I need to have to search. I gotta do Shapeshift Fox. I gotta do Milady. Hold on, let me do these really quick. Fox. Shapeshift Fox. Ooh, not good. Taking a look at Shapeshift Fox on the live stream. So yeah, we had a huge move, but unfortunately we got stuck at, I mean, we technically hit the 0.5, which is really good. That's a really big move up. But unfortunately, we're stuck in resistance. So there's really no update for Shapeshift Fox other than we're stuck in resistance right now, and 4.9 absolutely needs to hold. As long as 4.9 holds, and as long as we get some sort of reversal, then you can argue that there's a trend reversal, even if it consolidates a little bit and then bounces. I'd put the next target still at this previous high. So it just depends on how long it's going to take to get there. But 4 cents 90 needs to hold. If so, where 4 cents 90 holds, we need to break 6.5 cents again and stay over it. Meaning we not something like this, but we need to actually consolidate over this level, followed by a move up. So again, very key important points: 4 cents 90 and 6.5 cents. Hey, stop. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hey, what are you doing? I'm gonna get this back. And then Milady. Oops. Oh, I don't want to do this coin. Let's see. Let's check the chat. Could you look at Velo? Yes. I'll look at Velo and I'll look at Zebic. Give me a second. I got to do some other member coins and some subscriber coins on the comments. Give me a second. LCX. Taking a look at LCX on the live stream. I think this is a Coinbase coin, right? Yeah, it is. So far so good. It actually had a really nice move. So you went up like almost 10x and you're still up 133% from the October lows. So on the macro time frame, you are still over the 236. So that is bullish. On the shorter time frame, you are still over the 786. We wicked under it, but then we closed over it. So I'd say as long as it stays over 8 cents 70, LCX is still bullish. Keep in mind we have a resistance at 11 and 14 cents, meaning that as long as it stays over 8 cents 70, you can come back up to either 11 or 14 cents and still get rejected and still maintain this downtrend. Once this area of resistance breaks, then we have a shot at a bottom, and I'd say L6 to the moon. Next target is the retest at 37 cents. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty. Oh, SPA. Taking a look at Sparix SPA on the live stream for the gentleman who asked for it. So unfortunately, nothing is bullish with SPA until we break the 236 at around 2089. In terms of support goes for SPA, you can see we are still over the 786. So as long as we're over the 786, then we aren't at a risk of a double bottom or possibly making a lower low. So if 2048 does need to absolutely hold. On the way up, in terms of the next target on the way up, on the macro time frame, again, key resistance to break is 2088. Once that breaks, you are looking at the retest of the 382 at 1 cent 60. Now, financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bam. Okay, Swift coin. I think I did that already. Oh, Biconomy. All right, last one, and I'll check the chat. Taking a look at Biconomy, Bico, making an update on the live stream for the person who asked for it. So unfortunately, we made a lower low. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish with Biconomy until we break 41 cents. Unfortunately, because we are at the low, this low absolutely does need to hold. Otherwise, we are looking at capitulation and making a lower low. So nothing's new, nothing's exciting with Biconomy. It is max bearish right now as long as it's under 41 cents. Now, financial advice, just my opinion. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty. Let's check the chat. Velo. Taking a look at Velo. Wait, Velo or Velodrome Finance? I think you want Velo. Taking a look at Velo on the live stream. So, oh wait, I'm not making a video. Yeah, so nothing's bullish with Velo until we break 8 cents 20. Unfortunately, we are under that. And then in terms of support for Velo, the next area of support for Velo is 7 cents 17. So for whatever reason, if we don't go back up and get over the 236, the next area of support is 7 cents. Hopefully we can consolidate and eventually break out of that. But until we do that, then we do have to worry about 7 cents 20 being support and getting hit. So, and then your other coin was Zebic. Oh, I'm not even going to look at that. Well, actually, I will. I'll look at that for you. But Zebic Network. yeah, man. Don't give up on. I mean, I can't even tell you don't give up on it because that's my mentality. I'll ride it to 0, but you might have a different prerogative. Yeah, that's not good. Nothing's bullish with Zebic. Yeah, bingo bango. If that's supposed to get a Binance, everyone says that though. That's the problem. If it's going to, then yeah, it's gonna go up. But like, I thought Dojo on Mars was gonna get one and never got one. So if you're right, and if it does, then yeah, obviously expect a big move up. But if it doesn't, then it's just 7 cents 20 in the next area of support. Yeah, nothing's bullish with Zebic until we break 201. And again, if we don't get over that, or for whatever reason, you do have to look at the bottom and make sure that you understand that it can go back up to 30s, go back down to 3068. So nothing exciting, nothing new with Zebic Network from our last video. And then let's look at LCX. Oh wow, you got a lot of coins, Aquarius. I got you. LCX. I did look at PNG. There's nothing different. Aquarius. As long as PNG stays over, what is it, 22, 23 to 30 cents, it's still consolidating in resistance. And like I said last time, it could go all the way back up, which it did, to 29 cents, 30 cents, and then come all the way back down, which it did. So nothing's bullish. If 22, 23 cents doesn't hold, then you're looking at the next area of support at around 17, 18 cents, which we did tag before in August when we had that big move down. So just remember that. No financial advice. And then LCX. Wait, did you ask for this? You asked for this. No, yeah, I made a video on this. I made a video on this, but I'll look at it again for you since you're here. I got you. And then I'll look at Moonwell. Yeah, so what did I say for... Yeah, L6 was a good one because it went up like 10x. Yeah, so nothing's bullish with LCX until we break 9 cents 80 on the macro time frame. In terms of support go, I think we tagged the 786. So that's still support, yeah. So we're over it. Last line of defense, last area support 8 cents 70. And then you have resistance at 11 to 14 cents. What that means is that as long as it is under this box, it is bearish. As long as it's over 8 cents 70, then you're getting consolidation. And once we break out, one or two options, we break out or we get stuck here and come back down. And then if we come back down, if this doesn't hold, we're going to make a lower low, get stuck in this downtrend. I said the same thing in the video, but here you go. And then Moonwell. Dude, Moonwell's on fire. I made a video and it got so many views. I wonder why. Oh, yeah, this is why. Duh. Look at this. It's a monster candle. Okay, so taking a look at Moonwell. Here, I'm going to make a video on it. Taking a look at Moonwell on the live stream. So, it looks like... So, on the macro time frame, as long as we're over 8 cents 11, then it is still very bullish, and the next target is 29 cents. Price discovery up to 29 cents. Meaning we can come back down, tag that, and then bounce, and the target would be 29 cents. Price discovery up to 29 cents. Clearly, you can see from the low, from prior to the move to the high, you got your 236 at 8 cents, which does coincide with the previous all-time high. So that is crucial area that it needs to stay over. However, it is still bullish if it gets, so worst case scenario, 6 cents 40. If it holds 6 cents 40, then you are going to get consolidation followed by the next move up. However, if 6 cents 40 does break, then you are going to look at a bigger capitulation down. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Give me a second. Oh, you guys trick-or-treating? Oh, hold on. Wait, are you guys allowed to, like, are you guys allowed to have candy?
Oh, yeah.
Where are your parents? Okay. You want to go ask them if it's okay?
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, who are you supposed to be? I'm supposed to be a pirate. Hey, you want to say hi to Angel?
Hi, Angel. I recognize them.
Yeah, that's Angel, and then the orange one is Chester. Yeah, they're scared though.
Yeah.
Or that one's scared.
Probably Chester scary.
Yeah, he's scared. So he said it's okay? Alright, here you go. Hey, don't run out.
Okay, let me check what
just wanted to ask. Hey, what's up, man? Good. How are you? Here.
Oh, good. I like that you have stuff for Halloween.
Yeah, you too. Elvis, right?
No, just a cowboy.
Oh, cowboy,
If you go to
okay.
school, I should order Elvis.
Yeah.
No,
Well,
just a cowboy.
nice. Well, it looks good.
Thank you. So do you.
Yeah.
Pirate?
Yeah, pirate. Yeah. Yeah. They're probably gonna come by again. I got a whole bunch of candy, so I'll just.
Nobody's at our place. We don't normally get a lot, though. But I don't know. I'm not normally. Have you gotten any?
No, they're the first ones. So.
I don't know if we can do a
Yeah,
pirate
you-
complex. I think they want to do a pirate.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't. If they come by, they. Yeah.
Where's Chester? Thank you.
Here we go. So let me give you guys some more candy because I don't know if anybody else is coming by.
Thank you.
Don't give it all away.
I'm not. There you go.
Yeah, give it to Mama.
There you go. But that's it. That's all the candy for you guys. Wow, I just gave him a whole bunch of candy. Okay, all right. So sorry about that. So Moonwell, I only have $50 on Zebek. I could write it to 0 or add Caspa. BTC highest conviction meme. Yeah, so you have $50 in you have $50 in Zebek. Okay, let's see.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, $50.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, Zebek. What's up, Gearhead? No, it's not a dude. It's at the door. Like, I'm not gonna be like. Zebek Network. Let me see. You have $50 on Zebek? Okay, hold on. Let me see if you're gonna like. Yeah, I mean, what are you trying to make out of this? How much money are you trying to make out of this? Hold on. You're looking at 1 cent, right? So how much would your $50 be? Okay, like $500. That's possible. Can it 10x? Let's see. 10x, 600 million market cap. Yeah, I think it can. No, it's a pirate. Gearhead, it's a pirate. Come on. Really? It's a pirate. Come on. I'm not a wizard. What the heck? That's crazy. I mean, it's okay. Oh, you want it? No, but like bingo bango 50 if it go like that's no, that's 1 cent is a billion. So 1 cent is a billion. 50 times that is 50 billion. And that's 50. I don't think it's possible. I'm sorry, but I don't think 25 cents is possible. I didn't see it fully full, just joined. Yeah, no worries. Hey, what do you need me to look at? I'm gonna leave. I gotta leave in like 7 minutes max at 6:20. So I gotta bounce. The wife and I are going to an arcade, so we're gonna go get some games in.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, so let me know what you want me to look at. And then I will probably, and if anybody else has any other coins they want me to look at, let me know. And I will look at it. But yeah, so bingo bango. Yeah, that's your, yeah, bye. Thank you.
You. Bye.
So yeah, 25 cents is 25 billion, 50 cents is 50 billion, and $1 is going to put it at 100 billion. Oh my god, I was doing the math, and literally the total supply is 100 billion, so I just overcomplicated that so much. So, alright, let's look at COQ Inu. Oh, did I tell you my friend had this, and he sold it for Ponke, and Ponke's now, like, doing very, very good. No, this I'm just gonna do it here. Yeah, so let's see. From the high to the low, yeah, nothing's bullish with COQ Inu until it breaks 5 zeros 14. Yeah, so it's still super bearish. There's no more support clearly. The next area of support is adding a 0.82. So far we are in a downtrend right now, so it is not looking good. And yeah, these are the two key areas that it either absolutely needs to break over, or if we go back down, then this area needs to hold. And if it doesn't, then I'd say it's going to 0, but I don't think it's going to 0. I don't know if it's going to 0. So Polystorm, yeah, I think I did NCT already, but I'll check it again for you. And then render. Oh, did I not check render for you? My bad. RNDR. There was a lot, and there's wait, RNDR. You mean render, right? Because when I type in RNDR, it doesn't give me render. I'm assuming you mean render because I know that that's render. But they changed it. It's no longer RNDR. It's render. So let me know. I guess I'll ask for ABT. No, that's too much. You're asking for too much. I'm just joking, of course. I'll look at arc block for you. You're right. Doing the math, if it could reach 6 billion, that'd be 5K. Yeah. All right. Take a look at render, and then I'll take a look at arc block. Oh, this is nice, dude. If you guys got in like back here, you should be done. 10x, never mind. Because like, how much are you actually gonna gamble when a coin's all the way down here in this downtrend? So high risk, high reward, because it bottomed. So from the high to the low, we are actually in resistance. So technically we are in resistance, and we're at the 236. So you're still technically making a higher low. In terms of support goes, it seems like the 0.5 did hold. You did wick under it, but luckily you didn't close under it. You could see we actually wicked under it, and we quickly got bought back up, and then we had a reversal. The problem is that we are stuck in this downtrend, right? So I guess if as long as $4.16 does hold, you are looking at hopefully consolidating in and over resistance. As long as it gets over and stays over 581, then you're looking at previous highs, and then from there, new highs in price discovery mode. But we'll just have to take it at that time. And for now, we need to worry about 416 and 475 holding. So no financial advice. And then arc block for Aquarius all day. I hope you make it, man. I hope all of us make it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, dude. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, you guys should all buy OXT. I'm totally just joking, don't. Like, I just have to say that because someone might be like, oh yeah, you told me to buy it. Like, no, I was just joking. Okay, so arc block. From the high to the low, we are still consolidating in resistance, which is good. And then in terms of support goes, I mean, you didn't really tag the 0.5, but that is still support. So far so good, as long as we consolidate in resistance. Once we break out, you are looking at the retest of the previous high. That is a target as long as we stay over this box at $1.42 to $1.79. And then if for worst case scenario we break down and capitulate, 96 cents absolutely needs to hold. So not financial advice, just my opinion. You're right, doing the math, if it could reach 6 billion, that'd be 5K. Yeah. But like, also, are you really gonna hold? Like, are you really gonna? You have $50, right? So like, if you wake up one morning and you see your account at $2,500, are you not gonna sell it? Are you gonna actually try to hold it to $5 grand? That's where it's like, that's where it becomes a dilemma, because you don't know how you're gonna be when you actually get to that point. And I think that's the biggest psychological struggle for anyone, which is why I personally am just using the fibs. So like, for example, like no matter what, I have my sell targets, and that's that. Like I don't care unless we make a lower low, because remember, if we make a lower low, all the targets change. Okay, so just remember that. So from the high to the low, 236. I didn't follow it the first time, just FYI. Otherwise, I didn't follow it the first time, but whatever. 236, 382. I got greedy. I wanted to start taking profits at the 618. 786, previous high, and then let the rest ride. Right? So these are your targets regardless on how high it's going to go. And clearly, if you were accumulating, for example, OXT, you would have made profit because you bought this low, you accumulated, and you would have sold here and made 98% on that position. You would have sold here, made 225%, and then you never hit 360% because it never went that high. So this is very important. This is why we do it. So just throwing that out there. We're all going down, cycle's over? Yeah, probably. I really I don't know, maybe this was it. Maybe my chance was like, if I had bought at 4 cents, it was to sell at 18 cents and then calling it a day. But yeah, maybe. I'm just gonna ditch it. I think it'll compete with the top. I'm just gonna ditch it. I don't think it will compete with the top narratives to reach a meaningful market cap. Or that might be the one that does make it. But again, it's already such a high market cap where it's like, I don't know. It just depends. You gotta do what's best for you. Oh, how high is ABT gonna go? So like if you're asking me how high is it gonna go if it breaks this all-time high, I'd put the target at up to $12.45, which as of today is around a 7.5x, so 754%. So we'll see what happens. I'd sell it for that, but also I just sent it to Uphold to throw into another coin. Not worth it. Yeah, I mean, it is $50. You have nothing. You could gamble it away. Velo, I'm waiting for Binance and cashing out. Hopefully it does get a Binance listing. Because the thing is, like, how valid is that? Like, if everyone thinks that it's going to be listed on Binance, wouldn't everybody just start buying right now? So I really, like, I don't know how people find out actually when coins are being listed until after the fact. I never figured it out. So if you figured it out, and if it does actually get listed on Velo, then you got to tell me what coin to buy next, okay? Because you're right, it is going to get massively pumped. Think about Turbo. Turbo had a massive run, and look, it got listed on Binance, and it got listed on Binance when, like, look, 9/16. So it got listed right here, and it went absolutely parabolic. It got that last pump up. So yeah, congratulations. Cycle start after FOMC meeting. You mean after the 0.25% rate cut? Dude, imagine if they cut it 0.5. That would be like the biggest, craziest moment ever, because people got 0.25, but then they got 0.5. I think that would cause a huge pump. Elon gave back the last pump. Oh yeah, but Elon gave back the last, look, like, dude, yeah, that's freaking horrible. But look, I told you, Elon, I bought it here. I bought it at literally like the lows, because I remember relative to OXT, I was like, I'm already in OXT. I'm gonna buy more Elon. My like $4,000, and I tell you guys this story all the time. My $4,000 went up to like 13 grand, and now I'm like negative. Like, how? I'm so upset. I'm like, dude, I didn't like. And looking back, like, if like I still wouldn't have sold. It's not like I'm gonna say, oh, I probably would have sold. Obviously, if I knew now, anyone would have sold. But dude, it's just crazy that I can put $4,000 in a market, and it could go to 13 grand, and then I could be at like 3 grand, like in a time span of, yeah, it was November of last year, right? So September, and then started making videos in November. So 6 zeros, 15 after the Polynex thing, and then yeah, it goes up all the way here, and bam, giving it all back. It's crazy, man. That is pretty unfortunate, but it is what it is. Anyways, it is 6:25. Thank you for everybody that stopped by. Thank you for everybody for the super chats. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this Halloween edition live stream with the pumpkin, with the pirate's outfit. I was gonna say wizard. Dang, it's not a wizard. It's pirate. So thank you so much. I appreciate everybody that stopped by. I appreciate all the super chats and all of the support. I'm gonna try to live stream actually every single day until Vision comes back, because I might as well. Because unfortunately I'm not gonna have anybody to watch, so I might as well just do it. I might as well just live stream every single day. So I think I'm gonna start on the weekdays. It's gonna be at 5 p.m. because that's when I'm officially done with work. But on the weekends it'll be closer in the morning times, around, I think it's going to be around the same time as Vision live stream. So until he gets back, and then when he comes back, then you're going to see me in his live streams asking him to look at OXT for me. So anyway, again, thanks to everybody that stopped by, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's live stream 5 p.m. So thank you and have a great Halloween. Be safe. And none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next live stream.